Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and ejecting the SIM tray. This prevents accidental shorts. Next, heat the back panel evenly for about 1 to 2 minutes to soften adhesive. Use a heat gun or pad set to roughly 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Once done, stick a suction cup near the edge and insert a plastic pick to create a gap. You should feel the adhesive begin to release. Work clockwise slowly, keeping tension on the cup so the panel does not snap back. With the back removed, you should unplug the battery connector immediately to eliminate power. Then remove the small metal shields covering the motherboard and unscrew the 3 to 6 Phillips screws holding assemblies. Use a magnetic mat or labeled cups to keep parts sorted. Carefully lift connectors with a plastic spudger. You want to free the display and digitizer flex cables without bending them. Once the display is detached, peel any remaining adhesive and align the replacement screen to the frame and connect the display and digitizer flex cables in their correct orientations. You should hear or feel slight clicks. Reattach the metal shields and screws, but leave the battery disconnected until the display is secured. Apply new adhesive strips around the frame, seat the back panel and press firmly for about 60 seconds to bond. Once reconnected, power on the phone and test touch, cameras, and sensors. If the screen is unresponsive, make sure flexes are fully seated and contacts are clean, reseat if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.